Hi, my name is Ryan Harston. I would like to show you my Ruby on Rails project that I made for the Flatiron program. So the website that I created is called Street Builds, and it allows users to upload their project car along with all the modifications that they've done to them, and also look at the cars of other users, search through those cars by any of the parts that they might have other users might have put on their car, or the makes or models, and they can save those cars to a board, kind of like Pinterest. So let's log in, and we can log in the traditional way with email being the unique identifier, and also with OmniAuth. So here we have Google OmniAuth. So let's log in here with my email. And so essentially here's the main page. This is going to be the index of all of the users' cars. So we have a couple cars here because of course the website's starting out. Once it gets big, it's going to have a huge amount of cars to pick from. So we have the user's name, their first name, and then their car. And so you can search just about any attribute here and see that it's going to have all the Toyotas there, or you can search for Skyline. See that the one Skyline we have there, or maybe even the parts like Gritty. That's a big auto parts maker. And you have that one car. Right? Search there. No, you have two, right? So both these cars have parts from Gritty in there. So this could be really useful for automotive enthusiasts because we kind of always want to see who has what parts and kind of gain inspiration. Let me see, maybe. Okay. Well, yeah. So that's kind of seeing what other parts are in there. Yeah. So raise. That's the rims that they have. So pretty cool. You have that active record search features in there. And so we can create a new build also. And so we have use of active storage here. So I'll find maybe a build here, a picture. And I think I will pick this Honda Civic here. It's a 1988 Honda Civic. It's an EF version. This one has a B20. This is all car jargon. And so normally they'll have way more modifications, but just for the demonstration, I will just kind of be quicker on it. Coilovers. Okay, let's just say stock. So there you go, we created that car there. So pretty cool. Also, so now we have the ability to edit this car. And so say I went to edit and I left a field blank and we go to update it, it's going to tell you the drivetrain can't be blank. And it still keeps all these fields populated and takes advantage of the fields with error div wrapper, and I chose to style that as red. So yeah, pretty interesting. So let me put something else in here. Okay. Yeah, so that's kind of how that works. So updated the the car there. So let's go back to the home, and yeah, so let's take a look at this Cressida here. And so these actually, this is actually one of my cars. Let me look at Danny's SC300 here. And so I can save his car and save it to a board. I've already had it saved before. And then I can add a little note to it. Or I can create a new board, but let's create this pin. So here's the board, and there's a little note for each pin. You have the option of putting a note on there. And so I have 2 SC300s on here. But it's really up to the user what they want to do with their board. But we can edit the board. We can change the name. So maybe like that. We can update it directly right there. Updates, edit. Then we can also edit the notes on here. So like that. We edit it, and then see we have 2 of these, so let's actually delete one and then confirm. We can confirm that, and there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much the majority of the app. Here, here's all of my cars on my page. So I have a lot of cars here. And another thing that was nice feature on here is the because we logged in with Omniauth, I don't give the user the option of changing any settings like their email or profile picture or any type of settings like that, because that's already set with Google or whatever, if it was Facebook or something like that. So let's go just through here real quick just to show you how it does work. So let's create someone. Let's go through the sign up page, and I'm going to create a user. Right, so now we're in Patrick's profile, and see now we have the option of the settings. So we can change his name, change his email, and we have to confirm with the password. And we can also add a profile picture. So I'm gonna log out. And so that's pretty much the whole app. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration, and we'll hopefully make another app very soon.